1.
Download Pixified Cas template.
Find that in the description.
Use the breakdown pictures to help you work out what UV can go where. Mesh. Export. Open. This is diffuse. This is for furnishings. This is for the background. This is for the walls and floors. This is for the glass. Download, make or browse Sims 4 Studio for furniture and textures. Furnish the room. Use whatever program you're comfortable with. If you don't know how to use Blender, check my Blender playlist or teach yourself with Google. We now have our own outside, inside, walls and floors, and glass. Now back to Blender.
3.
Import files if not working in Blender. Select original innards. Delete vertices. Merge new innards. Rinse and repeat for each portion you have edited. If editing the UV inside of Blender, in the UV tab, check the pin and keep the UV box option on. Select the image you're working with. This way you can move your UVs to fit however you need. To export your UVs for Photoshop, go to UV, Export UV. There we go. Now we can make sure it sits where we need to and move our textures appropriately. If an item has no background, make sure it has no background and is a PNG. Save. Re-import into Sims 4 Studio.
4.
Now, save as shadow. Delete the background. Merge everything else together. Cut equals 0. Mesh name equals _0. Save. Re-import shadow mesh. Done. It's not clutter if it's cute, right? Right?
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.